Zimbabwe's sovereign wealth manager, the Mutapa Investment Fund, which controls an asset base estimated at about 15 billion US dollar, is seeking a further 950 million US dollar to finance expanded mining operations, despite having generated only about 8 billion in total comprehensive income in the latest reported financial results. Sarabina mashikubudanya kwachinzi 15 billion US dollar Mutapa Fund seeks more money, 950 US dollar 950 million US dollar to do mining after making 8 million profit. People subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibna mnamobra nyukamchinsi. In its annual report, MIF said its mining flagship, Kuvimba Mining House, requires the funding to scale up operations across gold, lithium, platinum groups, metals, and chrome, citing efficiency improvements, resource expansion, and disciplined growth across its mining clusters. The funding request follows the release of Mutapa's first published financial statements covering a 15-month period to December 31, 2024, in which the fund reported total comprehensive income approximately 8 to 9 million US dollar, a figure that has drawn attention given the sheer scale of assets under its control. The reported 8 million outcome represents a near zero return relative to Mutapa's stated asset base, reinforcing concerns that the fund, despite being Zimbabwe's largest single business entity, is not generating sufficient internal cash flows to finance growth from existing operations. As a result, the sovereign wealth manager is now seeking close to 1 billion in a new funding to expand mining activity rather than reinvesting profits generated from its own portfolio. Ndo madevelopments ari kubuda aiwa kuMutapa Fund panguva ineyo vachidhimanda kuti aiwa vari kuda more money aiwa iri close to 1 billion kuti vakwanise kuramba vachiita maoperations avo. Imbotize mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Penda comment section medu zafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.